Hello guys, again welcome back again to Drummers Academy, and today I'll be sharing with you guys on this particular um, stuff which most drummers, beginners are having problems with on their weekend ends. I'm going to share with you my story on how to train your weekend ends and how I overcame it when I was practicing, and how I began to use my weekend ends, and it helped me to strengthen my weekend ends. So let's go to today's lesson. So first of all, it can be a little bit discouraging when you try to work on your weekend ends and you don't get results. But in this video, you're going to get the result because there are secrets and tips which I have for you to grow your weekend ends to make it to go to perfection. And I've experienced that, and I'm going to share you my story. Although when I started it was very difficult because I had problem with my right hand. My right hand couldn't do anything like the way my left hand was. I was using left hand all the time, but my right hand was very weak. So I want you to watch this video to the end because it has some secrets that most people don't share with you guys. It's going to help you to improve your weekend ends, and I'm telling you, this is a guarantee. It is not a joke. It's not something that I'm trying to get likes. It's not something I'm trying to get views. It's not something I'm trying to get engagement or subscribers. No, I'm sharing this because I love to share good quality and engaging, and something that will make you be inspired and get results. I would love to hear you comment on my video that what you watched on my video is making you inspired, or if you are seeing the result. I would really love it. So it's not for any form of getting any engagement, but form of getting results, which I am doing now. So now, like I said, my left hand was the problem. My right hand was the problem because I couldn't do anything. But there was a video which I watched, but there was something which I did in the past, which has helped me. I started working on it, which I'm going to share with you now. So the first thing, because it has not been, and the thing, my story is that it has not been easy for me because I was going off timing, I was going a lot of things because I couldn't hit my right hand, and I was having problem hitting my left hand on the cymbals also. I was having problem because I don't know how to do all these things. But when I started working on my right hand, even my left hand also, because my left hand is a strong one, while my right hand is a weak one, which I started working on both my left and right hand so that it will be balanced. So I'm going to share with you now what I did. This was what I did. So what I did was this. I just had to pick up the drumstick. I started counting quarter notes. If you don't know what quarter note is, it's just 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the quarter note. Then in the left hand, I played a 16th note, which is, if you don't know what 16th note is, it's just 1 E ender, 2 E ender, 3 E ender, 4 E ender. That's 16 notes. I'm going to demonstrate that for you slowly, then I will tell you what to do to increase the speed. Alright. This is how it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just play quarter note on the right hand. First of all, I don't know which hands are your weaker hands. I don't know, maybe it's your left or right, but mine was right hand, which I had to work on it. So I want you to watch this video. If it is your left hand, then you can work on your left hand through this video. I'm going to do everything, merge everything together so you will not miss it out. So follow this video till the end. So let me show you what I did so you can gain something from it. Alright, like I said, now what you need to do is to count quarter note with just the right hand. Right hand first of all. Let's go to the right hand first. Quarter note. Now you play. If you don't know what quarter note is just 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you play 16th note with your left hand, which is 1 E ender, 2 E ender, 3 E ender, 4 E ender. That's the 16th note. So let me break it down for you here by showing practical examples. Watch this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You are just playing quarter note with the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, next thing you do is play 16 note with the left hand. 1 and the 3 and the 3 and the 4 and the 1 and the 3 and the 3 and the 4 and the 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and the 3 and the 3 and the 4 and the 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and the 3 and the 3 and the 4 and the 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and the 3 and the 3 and the 4 and the 1. So you're going to play 16 notes when you want to play with the left hand. Then the quarter note still continues. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and the 3 and the 3 and the 4 and the 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and the, let me break it down a little. Let me break it down a little. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and the 3 and the 3 and the 4 and the 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and the 3 and the 3 and the 4 and the 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, what you do with your right hand, you can do with your left hand. If your left hand is weaker one, then let's go to the left hand. Now we'll do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and the 3 and the 3 and the 4 and the 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and the 3 and the 3 and the 4 and the 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and the 3 and the 3 and the 4 and the 1. Now, to improve this, to make your hands strong, I'm going to play it a little bit faster for you to see. Then you can try it. That's the basic sticking pattern. That's what you need to know first of all before we move further. Okay? Watch this. Just the basic thing to improve your weaker hands, and I'm sure you will get it because you give it some time. It can be in 1 month, it can be in 5 months. No, it can be in 1 month, it can be in 2 weeks, in 4 weeks, it's possible. So just do this practical example of what I've done. Do it 5 minutes every day. Your right hand or your left hand will improve. And if you have any questions, drop in the comment section below this video. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe to get more beautiful content. Hope to see you another time.